Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sonic Mania Plus without Netflix. Many people think this fantastic game is exclusive to Netflix, but that's not true. You can easily get your hands on this classic-inspired title on several platforms. We'll walk through the simple steps to acquire and enjoy Sonic Mania Plus, ensuring you don't miss out on any of the fast-paced fun. Let's get started. Finding Sonic Mania Plus is quite straightforward. For console players, check your system's digital storefront, like the PlayStation Store, Xbox Game Store, or Nintendo eShop. PC gamers have excellent options too, with the game readily available on Steam and the Epic Games Store. If you prefer a physical copy, many retailers still carry the game for different platforms. Just pick your preferred way to play and make your purchase. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. Quick recommendation: just like Sonic Mania Plus offers endless fun, the new Kindle Paperwhite lets you read your favorite books anywhere. It's perfect for unwinding after a long gaming session. You can find a link to it and other fantastic deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once you've purchased Sonic Mania Plus, the next step is installation. If you bought a digital version, it will automatically download and install on your console or PC. For physical copies, simply insert the disc or cartridge. Always double-check that your system meets the game's minimum requirements for the best experience. After installation, launch the game from your library and dive into the vibrant world of Sonic, Tails, and Knuckles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.